Hello, everyone. We just repaired the faults in the emergency lighting fixtures. Now, we need to verify whether the system can operate normally, which brings us to the verification step, testing the emergency lighting controller. The emergency lighting controller plays a crucial role in ensuring the proper functioning of the emergency lighting system in emergencies. It provides the necessary lighting and guidance for evacuation. Therefore, conducting functional tests during regular maintenance is indispensable. Functional tests include self-test, fault test, mute test, and one-key start test. First, let's learn about the self-test of the emergency lighting controller. The purpose of the self-test is to check whether all components are working properly. There are two types of self-test methods, manual and automatic. I'll now demonstrate the specific operations. Please watch carefully and record the steps in your work orders. For manual self-test, press the menu button to enter the operation interface. Select 5 Manual Operation. At this point, you can see the manual self-test option. Press 4 for manual self-test. Watch carefully. All indicator lights will turn on, the display will flicker, and the alarm sound will alternate. If everything is normal, it will return to the main interface. 3 steps manually complete the self-test. Wouldn't it be better if we could perform an automatic self-test? Let's proceed with the automatic self-test demonstration. Enter the main menu interface using the menu button. Press number 6 to enter user settings. Navigate to the 5th option for test settings by selecting number 5. Here, you can set the monthly and annual test cycles. The monthly cycle was set to 28 days. We can adjust it using the left and right keys. For instance, set it to a 30-day cycle. Once set, save the settings. After setting, the system will automatically check within the specified time. If connected to a transport device, real-time feedback can be achieved on the Smart Fire Cloud platform. Isn't that incredibly intelligent and convenient? So, these new Smart Fire technology applications greatly assist us in fire management. You should keep up with the times and innovate. Next, we will conduct a simulated fault test. This test aims to verify the controller's alarm and display functions during a fault. I will now simulate a power fault. Turn off the main power. Please observe the controller's response. The controller emits an alarm sound, and the display screen correctly shows the power fault information. I will now press the mute button. The alarm stops, but the display screen still shows the power fault information, indicating that the fault and mute test functions are normal. After restoring power, turning on the main power, the system returns to normal. Finally, we will perform a one-key start test. This test aims to verify whether the one-key start button can immediately activate all emergency lighting fixtures in an emergency. I will now press the force start button and then press the F1 key. Please carefully observe the reaction of all emergency lighting fixtures. All the fixtures immediately light up and stay on for the duration specified in the design requirements, indicating that the one-key start function is normal. Press the reset button to return the system to normal. That concludes the steps of 4-key functional tests for the emergency lighting controller. Now, please conduct the functional tests of the emergency lighting controller at your workstations and log into the Smart Fire Cloud platform to fill in the work orders. During practice, be sure to follow the procedures and operate safely. You have 6 minutes. Let's begin.